Today in this video I'll show you how you can send effective and attractive buy request to get orders on Fiverr. If you send your attractive buy request, then your chances of getting orders on Fiverr will be increasing. I showed you buy request by clicking here. I'm clicking on more, and after click on buy request, then the buy requests will show here. Okay, I just clicked here. You can see here is buy request and only one request is posted. Click here and click on buy request. Page is refreshing. Here you can see one buy request is here. You can see here is the buy request, but before applying on this buy request, we'll personalize this buy request. We'll see the name of this person who posted this buy request. For that, we'll copy the date and this and paste here. We can see here is the name of the person. The name of person is X. We personalize the buy request and we'll send the buy request with the name of this person. We'll copy this and just paste here. I just copied and pasted here, and we know the name of the person who posted this buy request. Okay, you can see here is the name of a person. It's a simple Mr. X. He didn't posted his name or her name on Fiverr. We'll just paste. When we'll paste here, the name of person is showed. Okay, we just click on send an offer. Here is the option. Click on send an offer and we'll choose the best gig fitting for this request. Here are different types of gigs, but I'll select the best gig fitting for this request or fitting for this proposal. Okay, I'm selecting this one, or we'll do Amazon product, etc. Now we'll write the name of the person, hello Mr. X, and now we'll read the request. The request is I need an Android developer and data, etc. You can read all this request. After reading and understanding this request, now we'll find the main points and write here the description of request. Hello Mr. X, I read your requirements of Android developer and data analyst. Will showing the buyer we acknowledge the main thing that he or she want. Through documenting and mapping the data. Don't worry, you are at right place. I will provide you the best results with Okay, now we'll write some interesting things in the description. I'm writing here, are you interested? It's a question. The buyer will see this and it's a question mark. Okay, now I'm writing here, come inbox to discuss. The project details, proper project details, etc. For this. Okay, we are, it's enough. I think it's enough. Waiting for your text in inbox. Now we need to write here total offer amount, and after that delivery time, then number of revisions, and after that gig ask per gig requirement and commercial use, etc. Now we are writing here the budget of for this project. Suppose it's 100. Now we need to enter delivery time, on how much time I can deliver this project to him or her, to the client. Suppose I'm writing 5 days here. Now the number of revision, it's optional, we can select or we can continue without his. So I'm selecting here. Okay, I'm selecting here almost is 7 time, because it's when we choose a simple figure, then it will attract the customers. Okay, you can see here I choose the number 7. Number of revision is 7. It's optional but I selected. But now I'll select a commercial use, because he paid me and I can allow him to use this commercially or personally. So it's his property. Now if he will award me project, then I can complete the work efficiently and I will send him. And just you can see description is written, amount is written, and delivery time is also written, number of revision is also filled. You can see all the fields I have filled. Now it's also checked. Now we just need to click on submit an offer, and here is below, you can see here it is. I just need to click on submit offer. I'm clicking here, I just clicked and offer is submitted. Now the buyer or the person who posted this by request, you can see here this request is sent. The chances of awarding the project or winning the project is increases. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates, Fiverr tips and tricks, and online earning, and other so many things.